Hello guys, so today we will study about the Tibetan dialectic. So yeah, Tibetan dialectic. Okay, what is Tibetan dialectic? And its basics, principle is that we will study using its example. Okay, so suppose we have a color. Suppose we have a color, COLOUR, right? So color and white color. Okay, so here is a white color. Okay, so what is the difference between it? So we study. So color can be any color, either it can be green, white, either it can be it can be green, it can be pink, it can be orange, it can be either what do you call it? Either it can be red, either it can be navy blue, it can be sky blue, either it can be navy blue, either it can be yellowish. And these are all the colors, right? By but white color is a specific color. It's like particular. We are talking about the particular. So this is a white color exists, right? So this is white color. So this is the difference. So every white color is a color. Understand? Even you talk about the white color, we can talk about the mountain. Suppose we write a mountain. Wait. Suppose we write a mountain, right? Sorry. Wait. Suppose we write a mountain, right? So mountain has a color of white. Sorry. Suppose we talk about mountain. So mountain have a color of white. Wait. Suppose we talk about mountains. So mountain have a color of what? White, right? So mountain is color white, right? So you can talk about the whatever color specific, object. So we are talking about the white mountain, okay? So we talk. There's a difference, right? So color there's a color which is not a white color. Space example like blue. So we talk about we talk in Tibetan it's mu. Mu means like we have to make some difference. First with the having a color but it's not a white color can be blue, right? So suppose I write first move as what? Blue. Blue is a what? Color but not a white color, right? So first move is this. And second move is color and a white color both. So this is what? Snow mountain. Snow, white color of the snow. Okay. It's the white color of the snow. Snowish. Okay. So third move is it's not a color, it's not a white. So we can say what? It can be what? It's not a color, it is not a white color. Means I can say horse. Why? Because horse is a wait. Horse it's a body, right? It's not a color. It's a body, is a shape, right? So it's not a color. Okay. Suppose we say if I say like wait, if I say like if I if I say like snow, then it's wrong because snow is not a color. Snow is a body, so it's not a color. So it's not representing color. Okay. So we can use this Tibetan dialectic in terms like this. It's a difference. Mu means like we have to make some difference, right? First mu, it's a color but not a white color. Second mu, it's a color as well as white color, right? Which is what? Snow, white color of the snow. You know, color of the snow. Snow colors you can. Snow color is white, right? So it's white color, right? But we cannot say snow because snow itself is a body. It's a shape, some structure. It's not a color, right? So we have to use snow color. And third move is it is not a color, it is not a white color, and it is also not the colors, which is what? Horse is a body, right? It's not a color, it's not a white color. So that's all about Tibetan dialectic, basic Tibetan dialectic. So it can be expressed in a mathematical term as well. See, if I say, wait, suppose, suppose if I say, let me write this. Suppose if I say like a prime number, no prime number, right? So let's talk about the prime number and an even number. Okay, what's the difference between prime number and even number? Okay, so what is prime number? First, we have to know the definition of prime number. Then only we can study the difference. Okay, so yes, prime number is a number which can be divisible by so this is prime number. Okay, which can be divisible by 1 and itself only. So prime number are those number which can be divisible by 1 in itself only. Like 4 is not a prime number because it can be divisible by 1 and itself also it can be divisible, right? Because 4 is divisible by 1, 4 is divisible by 4, but it can be also be divisible by 2, right? So here the definition is divisible by 1 and itself only. Only is the matter, okay? So 1 in itself is this one, and this is the extra, right? So it's not a prime number, okay? Got it? So yeah, so now we will talk about the prime number. Even number, you know that it's the number which can be divisible by 2 is even number, right? So now we talk about the move. First move. First move is a number, a prime number, but not even number, okay? So it can be odd prime number, 3, 5, 7. It is not 9 because 9 is divisible by 3, right? It's not only, right? So it's not 9, it can be 11 and so on, okay? 13, 17, right? So second move will be what? Wait, yeah. And the second move will be a even number but not a prime number. So it is 4, right? So we have studied the 4 is not a prime number but even number, right? And third move is prime number as well as even number, which is 2, right? Because 2 is a prime number as well as even number, because even number it can be divisible by 2, prime number it can be divisible by 1 in itself only, other number cannot divisible by 2, so 1 in itself only. So this satisfies the definition. So it's third move. And fourth move is it's not a prime number, it is not a even number. Then what we can say, it's not a prime number as well as it is not even number. So 9 is the correct answer, right? Because 9 is what? Not a prime number. So it can be divisible by 1 and itself, plus it can be also divisible by 3, right? So this is extra, right? So the definition say it is only divisible by 1 in itself only, right? But it is also divisible by 3, which is not a 1 and itself. So it is not a prime number, as well as it is not an even number because it is not divisible by 2, right? I hope you understand. That's all. Thank you.